Hi guys, ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம எப்படி லெட்டர்ஸை ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணுறது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம், ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுன்னு பார்த்தோம். ஸோ இதில் என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, எனக்கு ஒவ்வொரு லெட்டர் வரும்போதும் அதோட கவுண்ட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகணும். அதாவது இப்போது இந்த ஜாவா ப்ரோக்ராமிங் லாங்குவேஜ்னு எடுத்திங்கன்னா ஜே ஒரு வாட்டி தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஜே ஈக்குவல் டு 1, which means, so if you are considering this Java programming language, so j equal to 1 and a, if you are calculating 1 2 3 and 4 5, so 5a is there. So like the way each character, whenever it's reading, it needs to increment that, which means in adding that. So 5, a means it's a 5, j means it's a 1, v means it's a 1, like that the output will come as letter along with the count. Okay, so that's what we're going to see now. So let's start that. First, in order to take that, first we need to go for the map collection. So in the map interface, why we are going for the map interface, in the sense it's very easy to calculate that, because the map usually the key and value pair, right? So whenever the key is increasing, like repeating, the value will be increased, like the logic we can apply this one. So first I'm going to key will be the character. Okay, so I'm just mentioning that as character, comma, value will be the integer, because how many numbers will be mentioned that, right? So in this new linked hash map, okay, so I'm just importing this one, and linked hash map also I'm just importing. Okay, so then first we need to split this string to character. Why? Because we are going to take from the character only, right? So first we going to split this string to character. Okay, so for that, str dot to char array, one method is there. Using that method we can split. Okay, so its written type is character of array. So here it's a character of array, then I'm just looping in the for each loop. Okay, so here I'm just mentioning the name as C. Okay, so I'm just setting the condition. I'm just going with the if else condition. If map not contains key C, which means in the map, C means it's a character array. Whatever the string is there, in that string, whatever the character is present, that I'm matching with the map. So if the map contains the key which is coming in the C, first will come J, right? So if the map contains not contains key, then it needs to perform this action. So what action we need to perform? If map not contains key, then map dot put key will be C and value will be 1. Else, if map contains that key, in the sense, then it needs to increment, right? Increment in the sense that it need to add up the number. Then else map dot get C dot what map needs to get? Map needs to get the C value, which means there is a character, and map needs to dot put in this character. Here I'm just taking the return type for this. Return type will be the integer, so I'm just mentioning this as count. Here count plus 1. Okay, so here I'm just printing map. So once again I'm repeating the logic. It's a string. I need to check whenever the repeating character is coming, that time it needs to it needs to add the number of the count. Okay, so here first I'm putting in the map, then I'm splitting the string to character array, then I'm looping in the for each loop. So character array, the name will be given as the C. So it changed to the char. So from character array to it changed to the character. Okay, so if dot map sorry map not contains key C, map already not contains in the sense, then it needs to put the it needs to take, like what is the C value it needs to take, and it needs to mention as 1. Okay, if that is contains, then it needs to get the value, and it needs to put count plus 1. So that is the logic. So we'll check the output for that. Here if you are checking this, J present one time only, A present 5 times, 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. So 5 times. B present one time only, and this is space. So here one space, here one space. So two spaces there. So 2, and P present one time, and R present 2 times. So here one time and here one time. Like the way the character is calculated till the last character. So this is what the technique we need to follow. So it's like a easy. So here you need to understand that only one thing. If the map not contains the key, so this key is not present, so usually we will be using the contains, right? Because this is the map. So map means key and value pair, so that reason we are using the contains key. So that is the thing we need to remember. And if the map not contains key of C, so whatever the character present in the C not contains, then it need to put as key as whatever the character, and value as the 1. If that is contains, then it needs to add up, right? So if that is contains, take the character and add that character plus 1. Okay, so then we'll print the map. So that's all this. So if you have any doubts, just place your clarifications in the comment box. So that's all about this. Thank you for watching.